Oh yeah, here's this is a roof panel which since the last video I've been having a go at. This is the front of the in front of the sunroof, and as we walk along you should see the difference. That's now had flatted with 1000 grit on a DA wet and a Trizac 3000 grit hook and loop foam flatted pad 3000 grit, and it's had 2 stages of polishing. There's still a bit more to do yet because it hasn't got all the marks out, but you could see starting to get, you know, what looks like a reasonable finish. But I can't get rid of all these little fish eyes. They're just too deep, some of them. I've been topping them up with lacquer over the last few days while I've been working on other things, and I have got them looking a little bit better. But to be fair, the car needs repainting, but you know, it is starting to look a lot better. So I'm going to get on with it, and we'll see how far we can go. So I'll do some more updates as I get on with it. See you later.